Okay, fraction exponents. We have 49 to the power of 4 over 2. Okay, 4 halves. Okay, so what we need to do is sort, that's my power. Now, how do we figure that out? Well, what we do is we circle the bottom of the fraction. It's a 2. So we make a root, and it's going to be a root, a 2 root. Then we put 49 inside. Then we make a parentheses, and we put the 4th power outside. So we got to figure out what the square root of the second root of 49 is. So what times what equals 49? Okay, question mark. So I don't think it's 1, 2, no, 3, no, 4, no, 5, no, 6, no, 7, so it's 7, okay. So what I do is I put 7 in there, then I cross this out, and that's equal to 7. Then it's 7 to the 4th power, so I have to figure out what 7 to the 4th power equals. So that's 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. That's 2,401. So this is the answer, 2,401. Okay, my next problem, 16 to the 1/2 power. Okay, so circle that, or your power for the whole power, then circle the bottom. So it's a square root and then 16. So you wrap that up, and it's to the 1st power. Okay, so the square root is 16. So what times what equals 16? Okay, 1 times 1, nope. 2 times 2, nope. 3 times 3, nope. 4 times 4, yes. Okay. So you cross that out, and it's 4, so 4 to the 1st power. Okay, 4 to the 1st power is just 4. So it equals 4. Okay, 16 to the 2/3 power. Okay, so there's your exponent and then 3. So I have the cube root, the 3rd root, and then 64 inside, and it'd be to the 2nd power. So what times what times what, because it's the 3rd root, okay, instead of the 2nd root, we have a 3rd root, is 64. Okay, 1 times 1 times 1, nope. 2 times 2 times 2 doesn't get the job done. 3 times 3 times 3 doesn't. 4 times 4 times 4, 64. Okay. So you cross that out and you put 4 to the 2 power. Okay. So 4 to the 2nd power is 4 times 4, and that's 16. So that's equal to 16. Okay, 100 to the 5/2 power. Okay, so two run, then 100. So you put that in parentheses, and you put a 5th power outside of that. So what times up here? What times what equals 100? Okay, is it 1? No. 2 times 2? No. 9, 4 times 4, 16, 5 times 5, 6 times 6, 7 times 7, 8 times 8, 9 times 9, 10 times 10, there you go. Okay. So we cross that out and put 10, and it's 10 to the 5th power. So you got 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. Okay, that's 100,000. And that's your answer. Okay, 25 to the 5/2 power. Okay, so it's going to be the second root of 25 to the fifth power. So what times what equals 25? Okay, right here. So 1 times 1, no. 2 times 2, no. 3 times 3, no. 4 times 4, no. 5 times 5, there you go, 25. So you have 5, and that's 5 to the fifth power. So you have 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 3,125. That's your answer. Okay, 125 to the 4/3 power. So what times what times what equals 125? No. 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 Whoops. Nope. Nope. There's your 125. Okay. Or sorry, I forgot to write the root. I'm sorry. I went ahead over here. I apologize. So you have a 3 with a 125, and then it's to the fourth power. Okay, so what times what times what's 125? Well, I've just found that it's 5. So then we have 5 to the fourth power. So 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 is 625. Okay, 8 to the 5/3 power. Okay, so make a root. It's a third root with an 8 inside, then a fifth power. So what times what times what equals 8? Is it 1? No. Okay, it's 2. So 2 to the fifth power. So it'd be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 32. Okay, 81 to the power of 1/4. So here's my power, and 4 is my root. So I have a fourth root, 81, and a 1 power. So what times what times what times what equals 81? No. Nope. There it is. Okay. So 3 to the power of 1 and 3 to the first power is 3.